What's up, dudes? Just a update. The company that I bought everything from stayed true to their word. You know, the guy overnighted the new piece. Um, it was good. The piece that came in fit in fine. Everything fit in fine. I'll show you how it all went together. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting in the engine and walk you through that part. There's a couple things that I'll show you that I didn't video just because I was getting just going and but not really too many things. It really just the ignition key and whatnot. But other than that, pretty satisfied with the way everything's going. Nothing really to report on anything other than once I got the part that fit fine, everything went together great. No issues. But yeah, let me give you guys a walkthrough and I'll show you the couple little things that I did that I didn't video and give you a couple pointers. Yeah. All right. So one thing I would say is, while you have the engine out, if you're in mind to replace the shocks, great time to do it because there's no engine in the way. The two back shocks, they if the engine was in there, it's a little it definitely be a little more difficult to get to. So, I mean, this is a 2000, so the shocks had the original shocks on there. Definitely something you could get in at this point with a lot less hassle if the engine was in the way. The front one's not a huge issue. They're completely accessible, and the whole job is done from the front. They're not a big issue. Just come up right there and right there, and you just got to get your hand up under the plastic. But nothing there. That's just a kind of a pointer if you're gonna do it. Great time to do it. The only other thing that I didn't show was the ignition key. So the ignition setup that they send was a little wider than the one that was in there, because with the new engine it runs more like a Ranger or something, where you actually turn the key to start the engine or stop the engine. It's not like it was where you just push the gas pedal and it starts up. Just a little tip, if you got a reamer like this, worked perfect to ream out that hole a little bit. It only had to go like 2 sizes bigger, but a hole punch or anything like that was just wouldn't work. The other aspect, like I had a little bit of less than desirable wiring going on, and it really kind of took everything from me to not just dig in there and start redoing it. I did redo one string that just went to the headlights and stuff, but I would wait, because I'm pretty sure when I'm installing the engine and the way that things are lined up in there, I'm going to have to do a little wiring anyway, so I'm just waiting. But, you know, it's a golf cart. I'm pretty sure anybody's wear and tear on the wires and whatnot, and putting in stereo systems or anything like that, you just have some questionable wiring. Just wait till you get the engine. Other than that, I'm just waiting. It was really easy. You just put in that frame, tightening everything up. No big issue. The extended cables for your shifter are a little long. You can see them down here. I don't really like that they're so long, but I'm thinking I'm just going to zip tie them up kind of to the side of this so it doesn't catch. Try to get as much out of the way of catching as possible, but yeah. The ones that were in there were actually probably only about an inch shorter than you needed, but the extended ones that you get are probably like 6 inches longer. Yeah, nothing too much to say about that. Just you have to have them unless you want to move this hole for the shifter. If you want to move it down, then you just have an empty hole right there, but I don't know. It seemed better to go ahead and just get the new cables. So, alright.